big one by any means, but got it right at the jetty. Don't know how much of that I actually got on video. Well, good morning there, everyone. It's good to be back. As you guys can see, I'm at a bit of a pond. It's been a there's just a cop. It's been a long 2 weeks, or rather 2 months. I've been writing some hectic exams. I'm finally done, and yeah, fishing season has started. But before I get into fishing this, the past weekend we spent at a big dam, or at the other dam where we have a house, and we went fishing there. But so yeah, this video is going to be about that. I'm just making the intro now because I forgot to make an intro then. I was just lazy. Coming the next week, I don't know, I think this video you're going to see now is going to be somewhere now in the next couple of days, and then this video is going to come be the week after, so then you guys will see me come fishing here. So enjoy that video, guys, and I'll see you guys here for the outro. So guys, I'm finally back after some hectic exams. Back at it again. First time fishing in the better part of 3 months after hunting season. And yeah, let's see if we can't catch. Back at it. Very, very, very windy today. Not caught anything yet, but the dam's very busy. So maybe gonna have to go over to a spinnerbait at some stage, as I don't think a weightless fluke, a weightless fluke in this kind of water is not gonna last. Get you in, Vish. I got one right at the jetty. Got it right at the jetty. Not a big one by any means, but got it right at the jetty. Don't know how much of that I actually got on video, but yeah. First one for the trip on the white spinnerbait. It's very windy, so I don't know how much you guys can hear me, and it's not very big, but yeah. Let's get him back into the water. So this guy's got a fish. A nice one. Bigger one than mine. Much, much bigger than mine. Kan jy ook uit? Moet ek jou help? Moet jy help? Dus hold it up to the camera. There we go. So just go on the big fish. Well, not giants, but at least we're catching something today. Yesterday was a bit of a dud. Back into the water with a nice, elegant acrobatic jump. Daar agter is. Whoa! Wel, my spinnerbait's weg.
Het jy gebreek?
Ja, die lyn het net once gebreek toe ek gooi.
Ek wil net sê, hoe gooi so ver?
Toe ek gooi, toe sien ek dit poep al gat uit.
Kijk, as ek nou vol links draai.
Okay, so my spinnerbait's gone.
Dis by die ys.
Okay, Tien.
Yes.
Hoe meer is gevoel nie? Hy is nie bad nie, hoor. Not a bad fish. Nee, hy is nie groot nie. Definitief nie groot nie, maar hy is nie klein nie. Nou hy.
Nee.
Ja, hy is tweede een het af, maar ja, 400, 500 gram dalk.
Hey, so. Is dit nou 'n bes?
Ja, ons is best.
Kyk, wys die so baie ding so mooi.
Maar kyk, hierdie is nog nie gespoon nie. Dis 'n klein wyfietjie hierdie. Check out pens. Sy is nog nie sy het nog glad nie gespoon nie. Sy is vol eiers.
Het gesien wat al gebeur het.
Okay, cheers. Terug met jou. Okay, so. O ja, ja, ek weet dit. Ek het dit. Ek het dit. Ja. Waar vis? Dis omtrent dieselfde size as hy ander ene.
Okay.
Got him.
Moet jy hierdie journey so ver lê, net aan.
Hey Bessie, reg aan die bokant van die bek.
Ek voel mamma al 'n mis uit.
Dis 'n kleintjie.
Dit is 'n mooi lyk.
Small one, taking on for the trip.
Baie.
Large me of these.
Kom weer.
Back to the water.
Ja,
Trek het.
Wow, hallo klein visie. My bliksem. 'n Vis het my aas opgetel, ek het dit nie eens gesien nie.
Jo.
Ja, is nie bad nie. Ek het nie geweet hy's aan nie, ek het net gevoel hy swem weg met hom.
Baie mooi. Okay, ja, nou is jy klaar gevang. Ja, ek loop met 'n gat hoor, man. Ja. Gaan sy boys opvang.
Jy het 'n vis, lief, jy het 'n vis. Jee, Wes, kram maar die boot. Woehoe, Wesie. Daai is 'n mooi bass.
Ek wou sê, jy voel soos 'n klip, maar dit is nie.
Wes met die eerste een vir die dag. Woehoe, Wes. Dan vir die release. Ja, go for it. Gone. Go Wes. Dit lyk my hulle soek dalk die stadiger presentation bietjie. Okay, dan. Dis nie 'n bad vis hierdie nie. Ja, dis nie 'n bad nie. Kom, leg je kop op. Leg je kop op. Ja. Ja, boy.
Yes,
Dis net betyd na die spinnerbait toe oorgeswitch. Woe! Ja, ek het hom mooi gekry. As hy first cast met 'n spinnerbait nadat ek gebyt verander het. Hier is definitief oor 'n kilo vis.
Ja.
Ja, hy sou nie losgekom het whatsoever nie.
Okay, maar jy moet nou so staan.
Ons hy.
Ja.
Bucket man. Alright, ek gaan nou weer release. Okay, back into the water you go. Oh, het sy rustig onder die boot. That was a pretty one. Hy wees dit een. En toe nou is daar weer. Ek sien dit daar kom by los in die middel van die lug, nou is daar weer direk.
So ons is alweer reg. Hier was dit ook gesquish.
Ja, dis 'n stomp. Ja, dis 'n stomp. Ek sal ons dit trek. Let's try this. One-handed. I got it. White spinnerbait, craw jig, and a watermelon seed color worm. These were the baits of choice at the dam, by the way. I caught the nice big bass, the 1.3 kg one on this. Most of the other bass I caught on the jig. I see they were all still pre-spawn. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just make sure I don't cover the mic. I hope you guys enjoyed the video of little fishing clips of me fishing at that dam place. Now, let's see if we can't catch some fish here. But anyway, see you guys for this video on the next video. Something like that. Hope the light works. There we go. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys there. Cheers!